Prim Savolo Shri Guru Maharaj ki Jai. Jai Sitaram, dear devotees. Swagatam. Welcome back to Suryodaya, Thursday morning simulcast on radio and TV Jagrati with your Shri Pandit Shiva Jana Maharaj. Another beautiful day it is here in the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago as we get ready to celebrate many auspicious anniversaries, birth anniversaries, Jayantis, their devotees. From now until we meet again next week, we have so many observances and Jayantis coming up, their devotees. And to kick the program off this morning, of course, going in a chronological order, of course, tomorrow, Friday, the 7th of August, is the birth anniversary of a very, very noble and pious soul, their devotees, a saint of the times, their devotees, someone who has brought and preserved and has done so much for culture, especially here in Trinidad and the Western Hemisphere, their devotees. Of course, I speak of none other than Param Gurudev Ji, Professor H.S. Adesh Ji. Once to you, Gurudev Ji. And our Sadguru Chalisa that we play every Thursday, right before I come on with the pravachan, I seek his blessings, their devotees, through that Sadguru Chalisa. Every week we have that Sadguru Chalisa, and recently it's my honor and privilege on Param Gurudev Ji's request to have spent every single day, most of the week, their devotees, I spend every night in special pravachan that he has for the Ramayana of the century, their devotees, as he goes through word by word with us and he reads with us. One of the things that I am really touched about is it's normal for a child or a shiksha to love their guru. But when the Guru loves you back so much, dear devotees, and is open with it, from time to time, he will openly say, declare his love for me. And that really touches my heart, and I bow to you again and again, Gurudev Ji. Thank you so much for that opportunity. I must have done some good karma in my past life to have been in your acquaintance and to be so very close to you. So Gurudev Ji, as you prepare, as you celebrate tomorrow, now I dedicate this song. Of course, it was written by you, but it is performed by many of your love shikshas there, Gurudev Ji. So please enjoy as we all sing to you, as we start the celebrations, your birth anniversary tomorrow. We sing happy birthday to you. So happy birthday, Guruji. Prim Savolo Shri Guru Maharaj ki Jai. Prim Sabolo Shri Guru Maharaj Ki Jai. So Guruji, I hope you enjoy your birth anniversary tomorrow. You know, all of us love you so much, and we pray for your health and strength. For you give so much. You know, I see every night that you may not be in the best of health. However, when you come on that online class with us, you have such energy that you give to us, and you say it from time to time, you love to see us, and we give you that energy. So we pray that you have many births so that we will continue to learn from your teachings. Prem Savaroshi Guru Maharaj Ki Jai. As we continue the birth anniversaries, their devotees, on Sunday coming, we all are preparing and know that on Tuesday coming we have the birth anniversary or the Jayanti of Bhagwan Shri Krishna Ji. However, many of us, we don't recognize that the birth anniversary of the Amsh or the form of Bhagwan Shri Vishnu, who came with that avatar of Bhagwan Shri Krishna, also is celebrated within this time. And that's on the Shashti Tithi in the dark fortnight of Bhado, their devotees, and that is the birth anniversary of Balramji, the elder brother of Bhagwan Shri Krishna. And being the elder brother of Bhagwan Shri Krishna, it's important to know that his father is Vasudevji. His mother is actually that of Devaki Mata as well, who are the birth parents of Bhagwan Shri Krishna. However, there's a however in his appearance, their devotees. Bhagwan Shri Vishnu ordered Yogmaya to take the embryo from Devaki Mata and transplant it into one of the other wives of Vasudevji by the name of Rohini Mata. You see, their devotees, since that time, 5,000 years ago, there was an embryo transplant from Devaki Mata to Rohini Mata by Yogmaya. Is that that energy of the Divine Mother that Bhagwan Sri Krishna ordered to do that Leela, dear devotees. So, for the seventh child, seemingly, Devaki Mata had a miscarriage, But it says here, dear devotees, that even when Bhagwan Sri Vishnu incarnated as Balramji, when Indra Devata and the other gods, they went to the Bhagwan Sri Vishnu and they asked him to come and release them of the curse of Kamsa that was, plaguing planet Earth. And it is said here that Bhagwan Sri Vishnu, he pulled out one black hair and one grey hair. Sometimes I know you all might see my little grey hairs that I have. So one black hair, one grey hair, or one white hair, dear devotees, Bhagwan Sri Vishnu. And he said, Bhagwan Sri Vishnu, he took, and he promised that these two would come and fight against the demons. Yes, devotees, and this is why Balramji, who was the first to come, he came before, he came and he was very fair, dear devotees. One of the explanations that is given here, when he incarnated in a very fair form. And dear devotees, it also says that his name was Ram. But because of his immense strength that he showed, that he had even from a baby, they named him Balram, in the one with strength. And we will go into more details of Balramji's birth appearance, how he came, dear devotees, on Sunday coming on the Suri village Shiv Mandir. Our discourse this Sunday, being Balram Jayanti, will be guided towards that occasion of Balram Jayanti, dear devotees. So we'll go into more details of his katha. However, for now, understanding and knowing that, this embryo was transplanted from Devaki Mata to that of Rohini Mata. It is said that Garga Muni, the Kul Guru of the Yadu Vansh dynasty, revealed to Rohini Devi that the child she was carrying was indeed that of her husband, Vasudev. So it was confirmed that this child that she was carrying is from that of her husband. And this is a divine Leela. And so they are devoted. As I said, we will learn more on our virtual spiritual retreat. Please note that because of the recent increase of COVID-19, cases, that for the safety of our members of the Suri village Shiv Mandir, we will continue our virtual services and keep our offerings and our service to a minimum of just the shrotas and those making the offerings. Everyone else, for your safety and comfort, you can enjoy our service from your homes on TV Jagrati or on our Suri Village Facebook and YouTube channels. This is for your safety, dear devotees. We prefer have live devotees when COVID is gone than to have any spread of this COVID virus. So we will have that facility to facilitate your safety, dear devotees, and I hope you all understand. So we will have a Shrota every Sunday. A Shrota will be performing their puja. However, we'll be recording that and we'll be sending it virtually to you, dear devotees, through TV Jagrati, our Facebook, Suri Village Shiv Mandir. So it's facebook.com/Suri Village Shiv Mandir, as well as youtube.com/Suri Village Shiv Mandir. Very easy. You can do a Google search for us as well and find us, dear devotees. And we'll have our services every Sunday, dear devotees. According to the timing, we'll have it starting at 7 a.m. If there's any other programming that they have broadcast on a Sunday, that normally starts at 9, or we'll start at 8 a.m. our regular time. So we'll work that out and give you that every Sunday, dear devotees. However, if you cannot make it for the TV time, you can view at any time. So your virtual service, our virtual retreat from the Suri Village Shiv Mandir, can be viewed at any time. You have the convenience to sit and do your puja, Bhagwan Shiv, dear devotees, as well as to listen to the pravachan and learn and be a better Hindu, dear devotees. It's your effort. So Balramji, will do more about him on Sunday, being that of Balram Jayanti. So let us enjoy this beautiful selection, dear devotees. A very short one, but it tells of the greatness and who Balramji was an incarnation of Sheshnag, and I said we'll go into more details on Sunday. Let us enjoy. Prem se worship Balram Maharaj ki Jai. Prem se worship Balram Maharaj ki Jai. Jai Sitaram, their devotees, Swagatam. Welcome back to Suryodaya with your Shuli Pandit Shiva Janak Maharaj. And, that beautiful selection here we saw when, Balramji was born to Rohini Devi, their devotees. In Vraj, there was happiness. Everyone was happy and they knew that he was someone special. Actually, he was an Amsha. He was a part of the Sampurna form of Bhagwan Shri Krishna, the complete form as Sheshnag that came with Bhagwan Shri Krishna, their devotees. And, that is on the Shashti Tithi of the dark fortnight of Bhado, or Bhadrapad, as we may say. However, on the Ashtami Tithi is the day that we all know, the devotees. Ashtami Tithi in the dark fortnight, the Krishna Paksh of the month of Bhado is that of Krishna Janam Ashtami. Krishna Janam Ashtami. Prem se worship Krishna Bhagwan ki Jai. And their devotees. Of course, we all know little of the Katha of Bhagwan Shri Krishna. And the kind of leelas that happen when Bhagwan Shri Vishnu, he appeared before, coming in the childlike form and the Bal form of the child form, their devotees, to that of Devaki Mata and Vasudevji. And he came and gave the instructions of exactly what is going to happen and what they need to do. And that instruction included that Devi, a child, a girl child, when I am born to you, when I appear to you, you have to take me to Vraj and switch me with that child of Yashodhara Mata. Yashodhara Mata will have Nanda Baba will have a girl child. You have to go and switch me and bring that girl child. But that girl child was none other than Devi Mata herself, their devotees. And this is why Ashtami Tithi, very important, Ashtami Tithi is related to Devi Mata. We have to do Durga Mata Puja. Ashtami Tithi is a powerful day to do that. So it is associated with the Devi, their devotees, being the Ashtami Tithi. So she also appeared on that day and that switch was made. Of course, we all know from the Katha of what happened in terms of the shackles being opened and the doors being opened and guards falling asleep and him crossing the Yamuna river and the touching his feet and receding, and it's beautiful Katha. Of course, you'll hear the details. And for your Krishna Janam Ashtami, that being said, dear devotees, I'll take the opportunity to remind you that based on again the restrictions of COVID-19 at the moment and whatever further restrictions we have to pay attention to. However, we will be having our offerings for Krishnji at the Suri Village Shiv Mandir between 6 and 7 p.m. on Tuesday coming there, Tuesday the 11th. That is the Krishna Janam Day. Our offerings at the Mandir will be between the hours of 6 and 7. We'll just have a short small puja and offerings to Krishnji, very short service. You make your offerings. However, we will be providing a virtual service of our Katha or the related Katha at the appropriate time at 12 midnight, dear devotees, where you can enjoy detailed Katha of the birth anniversary, the Jayanti, the appearance of Bhagwan Shri Krishna at the appropriate time, dear devotees, virtually in the comfort and safety of your home. And this will be extended not only for our members but for everyone, dear devotees, on our social media. You all can join along with that. So these are things we are putting in place for your safety, dear devotees. The Suri Village Shiv Mandir have not missed any of the major occasions since COVID-19 because we have been providing it virtually to you, dear devotees. And this is what we continue to and will continue to do because we love and cherish each and every one of our members, and we want you to be safe and healthy, dear devotees. So we have to be serious. These are recommendations made by the government and worldwide to utilize the technology for the safety of for worship purposes, dear devotees. So that this is where we want to encourage you. Be safe, dear devotees. We want you to be safe. So this is why we are making these opportunities. So on Tuesday coming, Krishna Janam Ashtami. Again, our puja from 6 to 7. And our midnight virtual service of the Katha, dear devotees. You can enjoy and sing along and feel that joy of the birth of Bhagwan Krishna at the appropriate time. So let us enjoy this little video now. It shows you all what I just described, dear devotees, of the night when Bhagwan Shri Krishna appeared. Prem se bolo Shri Krishna Bhagwan ki jai. Prem se bolo Shri Krishna Bhagwan ki jai. How very beautiful, dear devotees, the enacting of that night when Bhagwan Shri Krishna, all the leelas that happened, dear devotees. And we'll narrate a little more of these kathas, of course, as we said, on that day of Krishna Janam Ashtami. And many of the Pandits will also give you so much of the kathas leading up to that, dear devotees. However, this morning, as we bring the curtains now, I'd like to remind you chronologically, tomorrow, the Janam Din, the anniversary, the birth anniversary of that Sadguru Dev Ji, Professor H.S. Adesh Ji. Many namans to you, Guru Dev Ji, and may you enjoy your birth anniversary tomorrow. And dear devotees, on Sunday coming, we said we'll have on our Suri Village Shiv Mandir virtual retreat for you on TV Jagrati and on our social media platforms. We will have that katha of that coming of Balram Ji, as it is Balram Jayanti, dear devotees, the elder brother of Bhagwan Shri Krishna. And on Tuesday, dear devotees, Krishna Janam Ashtami, we invite you at the Suri Village Shiv Mandir, where we have all protocols in place. We have your temperature check-in, we have your electronic check-in, where we, check you in so that we have that community. We can check very easily in case, God forbid, anything happens. We have that contact information for that contact tracing, their devotees, if anything happens. So we have all our systems in place, washings of hands, and all other sanitizations are being done at the mandir, their devotees, before and after service. Everything to the regulations that we have, their devotees, or physical spacing and all that is in place for you. So you can come safely, make your offerings on Tuesday, being a major occasion, if and unless we are guided otherwise by our authorities, their devotees. But we come on Tuesday from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. to make your offerings, their devotees, to Bhagwan Shri Krishna. And at coming close up by 11 p.m. until midnight, we'll have our virtual service of the Katha leading up to the birth, the actual appearance of Bhagwan Shri Krishna at the midnight time, virtually, safety and comfort of your homes. So this is what we are putting in place for you, dear devotees, because we love each and every one of you and we want you to be safe. So dear devotees, as we bring the curtains on to this morning, we pray Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaye. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om.